What you are going to make, Han?
What?
What you are going to make?
Answer for you.
Planter for Jem. Why you don't wear your slipper or your shoes?
It's too hot.
He's not wearing shoes and he's been cutting the trees. That's why it's so messy. He's dirty man. And this dog, look. Happy dog. Yeah, he's been cutting the trees at the back. And there you go. Sorting out this. Husband is doing a DIY. Making some planters for Jem, for my pet chai. That's the pallet that come here, is it?
Yeah.
That's the one he's going to put under. So, are we going to use one of these? One of these to close it here, is it?
Yeah.
At the end.
One of those.
Yeah. So this is the one. It's going to be like this, guys. Not so deep, like that only. Only for pet chai. It's going to be like that, and that one is going to put it under. It's like 6 foot, really. 6 foot planters. Right over. Oh my God, Toby.
This is 1.8.
So,
She says 1.9. So that should be 10 centimeters there.
really? So that is 1.8. I'll check. Work.
Alright, I need to get the...
Yeah, the saw. Okay, Daddy's going to get the saw.
Alright, so it will sit like that.
So what's that, darling? What's that?
Saw.
Saw? Ay, cutting the ano.
Yeah, I think I need the extension lead there.
Oi! Being nosy, you. You're being nosy. The saw. Oh my God. I have so many things. So. Di man lang nilinisan bago ilagay sa lalagyan niya. Ay, naku si Paul. There you go, Daddy's going to cut that.
Right, okay. Make sure I got it in the right place.
Yeah, make sure. 0 what?
0 degrees.
Let's see if it's the right size. Oh my god. It's like that.
Yeah.
It's going to be like that, guys. The other one again. I like that one. What do you call that?
What?
Cutter. Cutting this.
Circular saw.
You have so many
Maybe out of
things
it.
that I, you know.
Have a go if you want.
I don't want to. I'm scared. Make sure it's in the right place. That's scary, isn't it, Toby? It scares you. It scares Toby. Meh. Meh. So, it's gonna be like that, guys. Exciting. Shall I paint pink? This one scares me a lot. Toby dog! Where's Dada? Where's Daddy? Toby, where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? So there you go, guys. Yeah. That one.
Right, now I've got to make the base. We'll have a couple of these at the end if you want.
Yeah, yeah. Couple of
So,
them. Yeah, I think it's better.
and then that takes it slightly off the ground.
Yeah, yeah, you're right.
Okay. I'll do that and then
I'm going to buy more, like 4 of those, because I want you to make another small one for me.
yeah, that's fine.
The other side.
That's fine. Right, so 31.
So yeah, it's you're right, Han, because so that it's gonna be like, it's gonna be on the floor and the thing is.
Yeah, so it'll make it a bit deeper.
Yeah. On the, I think the end. Yeah.
Yeah,
Just
right
both
in
end.
the middle, two at the end.
Yeah, yeah. And then we
And then
use
you just
use
those
that.
slats.
Yeah, yeah. You're right. Yeah, it's better really. So make sure you put the under the one that have damage, and the one that you made, you put it under. Where is the big spot? Yeah.
Right, so I just need to measure it out 31 centimetres.
and it's time to put it there. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's the back.
Yeah, it looks rough from the bottom there.
Why that one isn't all like open?
What?
There's more like space.
Yeah, because it doesn't always.
Look, no, that one is just like it's not closed in this one.
Yeah, Maddie, you're going to put an internal bit there.
Oh yeah.
Doesn't match entirely.
Excuse me, Toby.
Let's just give it support.
So this is it, guys. Gems planter DIY. We're just gonna buy some what you call that? Compass and then
you got a liner. You got to put the liner in first.
Toby, nosy dog.
And then when that's on the ground, it'll probably be covered up by gravel, so you won't even notice it.
Yeah, true. So this is it. Nice one, hun. Thank you. That's nice. Look at the nosy dog. Go on, you go up. Up. You go up there.
Careful. Hey, hey.
Excuse me.
You're going to end up with a splinter in your tongue.
Excuse me. Da-dun. That's done. Well done, honey. Nice one. And so it's time for me to put this. We bought this today. This one, I'm gonna put it there. Time to cut this one. What's this? I forgot the name. Whatever. Yeah, so we're gonna put this there, and I got also this one small fence to put it around. Put around there in the where's where I'm gonna put this hand around the cherry tree because Toby always weavy on there. And then I got this today also. Compass. This one and that one for my seeds. Okay, so ready. I need to cut this. And put it there.
Right, you video right? Oh!
Yeah.
Gee, ow!
Daddy's gonna do everything as Jem's lazy.
Isn't that the truth?
I just want to do the planting but not doing that thing.
The hard work.
Yeah. The hard work is all of Daddy can do all of it. And then the easy the easy one. And then the easy one is only for Jem. He's so tired already. It's okay. I promise I'll give you massage tonight.
Okay.
Pinky. Pinky. Pinky, Winky, Tinky, Winky.
Pinky.
I changed my mind.
Yeah, well, it's on video now. Right.
So that you're gonna do.
Okay, so.
I help you, wait. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Maybe it's not going to fit perfectly. As a. Do you want it right to the top or
Yeah,
just?
right the top, right until here, huh, no? There. So that's it. That's it. All done. All we have to do is to put the compass with Toby's hair.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put it when my greenhouse is ready.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put it for the meantime in there. So that's all. I'm gonna show you next time if I'm already transfer the plants in here.
Yep.
Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye, Toby.
Oh, oh.